Today is Friday, the 25th of October, and we're fishing Shoreham Beach. Hi guys, how you doing? Back down Shoreham Beach today. It's about an hour to high tide. Yet to set up my rods. But the wind's supposed to pick up quite drastically. I think it's supposed to get up to about 45 mile per hour winds later on today. So it's already starting to blow, probably about 15 to 20 miles per hour at the moment. Starting to see some of the weather fronts coming in already. So in my little man cave, tucked up by some rocks. But the only thing is, I have my tripod right at the top of the beach, because just down here is where the last tide line was for the weed. So I can't really put my tripod down there because it won't be long till the sea starts running up here. I think I'm just going to start off using one rod, probably just like a 2-hook flapper. I only got frozen mackerel today as well, just still pretty frozen in there. So yeah, I'm just going to bait elastic that on for the time being to defrost a bit. Yeah, just hoping for anything really. Maybe some whiting, dogfish. Just nice to get up. Okay guys, just set up my rod. Just using a 1 up 1 down rig there. Just bait elastic, trying to be a mackerel. A size 2 hooks on a shop bought rig. Don't know, you can see the water's still reasonably clear. We had some northerly winds for a few days and it flattened the sea out and took all the colour away. Unfortunately I was ill, so I couldn't really get out and fish. I was hoping to try and put some squids. I've never caught a squid before, so I wouldn't mind trying again, but not today, not in these conditions. This rod, I'm just going to chuck out as far as I can. Wind's quite southerly, so it's going to be difficult to get any sort of distance on it. But yeah, just happy to catch a fish today. Haven't had any obvious bites yet. Quite difficult to tell because some of the swells are just nicking the top of the line, so every now and again you get a pull down. Don't know if you can see the flag over there in front of the house. Where's it gone? Blowing like crazy, just the indication of the wind there. The sea's still not too bad. Every now and again you get a big wave hitting those rocks there, just spraying up. But yeah, no fish yet. Okay, it's just turned high tide now. No more bites, no fish. Did rebait it out again, put a slightly bigger bait on. But nothing yet. Still pretty breezy. Looks like rain's going to come this way soon. It was forecast for about 11 to 12 o'clock. It's just about 10 to 11 now, so yeah, it looks like that could be on the cards. I was going to ask you guys, have any of you guys sort of collected any shellfish from a Worthing way? Like mussels, shrimps and all that kind of stuff? I remember doing it when I was a kid and taking them home, and my mum used to cook them up for me and stuff. But it's not something I've done since, well, I've been an adult really. Just wondering, is it safe to eat around here still? I know we get a lot of like drainage pipes all along the coast along there. I think it's mainly like just rainwater from all the roads and sewers and stuff. I don't think it's actual, you know, toilet waste. But yeah, it's something I've been thinking about maybe trying. If any of you guys do it or have done it, let me know. Let me know that it's safe to eat before I try something stupid. Yeah, that might be an upcoming video. First fish of today, guys. Just some white in there. So about 10 inches or so. Let's get down hooked and check it back. Before I just show you the little teeth here on the whiting. This one was quite aggressive for some reason. It kept trying to snap on me when I was trying to get the hook out. Tiny little pin teeth. Let's give him a chuck back. Off he goes. Starting to get quite a bit of colour in the water now. There's definitely much clearer earlier. It's starting to get all this foamy crap as well. Sort of feel a bit of rain in the air as well. But the tide's dropped away quite a bit. You can see where the water mark was. I think it'll be some nice fish caught this weekend if you can get out. A bit of colour in the water now for evening tide, sort of 10, 11 o'clock. So should be some nice fish about. Might take my rod back in again, just do one more bait check. Enough for that time. Bait's still in full contact where I've had the bait elastic on. So I'm just going to cast that one straight back out again. Just had a few knocks on my rod there. They look like whiting knocks to me. But every now and again I get a few bigger knocks in between the waves which look like a whiting. I think I might take it in, but I've taken it in. I think I'm going to pack up and go because it's definitely looking more and more rainy over there. And there's nothing worse than packing away rainy gear and trying to dry it and get it soaked in the process. So just going to watch this just for another minute or so and just check, definitely make sure it's a bite. The line's got a bit slack as well. I'll take it in and have a look. Well guys, we had a fish, another whiting, bit of a bigger one there. Might give him a quick measure just to show you how big he is. There you go guys, 34, 35 centimetres, not a bad size whiting that. If I was able to catch a couple more of these, I've been tempted to take them home and try and make some Thai fish cakes with them. Seen a nice recipe recently. We've had to try out, but I don't think just the one would be enough. And seeing this weather's almost upon us, I'm going to chuck this one back. But yeah, nice size white in that. It wouldn't be too bad they're all white in that size. It was big enough to pull the weight from the sand, so yeah. Nice little size there. Tide's almost down to the end of the rocks now, so it's not really worth staying on anyway. Let's go give this one a little chuck. And off he goes. Well guys, that's me done. Couple of whiting. I fished an hour before high tide and about an hour and a half afterwards, so not a long session. Just nice to get out. Nice to see that bigger size whiting as well. If they all start becoming that size, I think I'll definitely try and catch a few and try and make some fish cakes with them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Hopefully I'll be out a few times this week. It's half term and I've got the week off work. Yay!